Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. I just show you how to set up the environment variable, okay? Because lots of people facing this issue, okay? Like how can set up your environment variable. So for this, you can just go to the this PC, okay? In your system, go to the this PC option. So in my case, there is my this PC, okay? After go to the this PC, you can just right click, okay? So I just right click on this PC, and there is a one option of property, okay? First you can go this PC, then right click, and then you can click on the property option, okay? I just click on the property option. So this type of new window is open, okay? So in this window you can just click on the advanced system setting, okay? So here my advanced system setting, I just click on the my advanced system setting, okay? So new pop-up is open system property, okay? So under the system property you can go in advanced system, okay? So under the advanced you can just search the one option is the environment variable, okay? So you can just click on the environment variable like me, and your environment variable is open, okay? So under the environment variable you can search the one option is the path, okay? So there is a my path option, okay? Have you seen? You can just click on the path, okay? And this path there is a one option of new, okay? So you can just click on the new option, okay? And here you can paste the address of Anaconda where you can install, okay? So in my case already installed like user just new Anaconda library bin, or some cases it like a new Anaconda library user and bin, okay? So first we can go to the bin folder and just copy the address and just paste there, okay? So for this I can just open my this folder, then user, then jazz, then we just search the new Anaconda, okay? So in my case there is a new Anaconda. In new Anaconda my bin folder is present in the library, but in your case you can see where your bin folder is present, either your user or either in the library. So in my case it's present in the library. So have you seen, this is a bin folder. I click on the bin folder, okay? And now just click here and just copy this path, okay? So I just copy this path from the bin folder in Anaconda and just paste here, okay? So I come in my environment variable, in the path I just click on the new, okay? So I just paste here, okay? So when I just paste here, so I already do lots of time because lots of people demanding for this. So now again doing this, I just show you. After that I can delete, don't worry. And then you can just click OK. Then here is also OK, and environment variable is also OK. And after that you can come to the uh, there is option is CMD, okay? So in a search bar you can just type CMD, okay? Just click on the CMD, and under you can just write down Jupyter Notebook, okay? So Jupyter Notebook, okay? I type my Jupyter Notebook and just enter. So it takes some time, it's opening my Jupyter Notebook. In your case, if Microsoft Edge is present, then Jupyter Notebook open in the Microsoft Edge, okay? Otherwise it's open in the Chrome browser, okay? So my Jupyter Notebook is open, okay? And if you want to write the code, then you can just click the one option is the new, okay? Just click on the new, and under the new the Python 3 option is okay, because we are installed the Python 3, okay? So I just click on the Python 3, the new notebook is open, and there you can write down your code. So basically Jupyter Notebook is easy interface, and it's used in for Python, or maybe AI coding, maybe machine learning or data science, deep learning. So I want to just write one code, print hello world, print under the quotation marks hello world, okay? And just run, okay? So my program is done. So I hope you understand, and you can just set up, okay, your system variable. Or this is all about for today's session. Have a nice day, okay?